Hey there and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to install Free Fire, the popular mobile battle royale game on your Windows PC. It's a simple process and we will guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. To play Free Fire on your PC, you will need an Android emulator. We recommend using a trusted one like Head to your web browser and search for your chosen emulators. Download the emulator from the official website and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. Once installed, launch the emulator. You will need to sign in with your Google account, just like you would on an Android device. Inside the emulator, open the Google Play Store. It's just like the Play Store on your phone. In the Google Play Store, search for Free Fire, find the official Free Fire app and click Install. After the installation is complete, you can launch the Free Fire right from the emulator's home screen. And that's it. You have successfully installed Free Fire on your Windows PC using an Android emulator. Now you are ready to jump into the action-packed world of Free Fire with the comfort of your PC. Remember to check the system's requirement for the emulator and keep your graphics drivers up to date for the best gaming experience. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.